Speaker. And Right Honourable Speaker, I want to appreciate you because you gave me an opportunity to raise the issue of the police officers who had missed salary, some for 1 year, some for 9 months, and they were working. And some of them got back to me after we raised this matter that the police authority had to take action. Yes, they thanked me because a good number were paid. Maybe some still have not been paid, but most of them have reached out. But secondly, Right Honourable Speaker, I have equally received the complaint from the civil servants in my district in Tororo and also teachers in some other districts. Right Honourable Speaker, the issue, when I tried to follow up with the responsible cows and the Minister of Public Service, the excuse they are giving is that government is migrating from HCM, from IPPS to HCM. But Right Honourable Speaker, if government is integrating, how comes some of these people received salaries earlier, then for 4 months they had not gotten salary, and then received their salary, and now for 2 months, 3 months, they have not gotten salary again. So it is not an issue for me. I believe this is just being used as an excuse. But it seems some people within government may be doing something, either, creating loopholes so that you see me and then I reinstate your name. It could be. It's possible. So, Right Honourable Speaker, can the Minister of Finance, I know the Minister of Public Service is not here, come and explain to us how somebody can be on the payroll today and next month they are off and the other month they are on. If I'm working, why should people be on and off? Is there something that is being done between finance and these local governments that is creating this? And Right Honourable Speaker, we are frustrating these civil servants. They earn very little. You can imagine children are going back to school now. How does somebody who has taken 2-3 months without salary take the children back to school? So can the Minister explain and also tell us what action they are taking on these cows, because you actually bring lists of accounting officers here. Why should we have this happening in local governments?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Honourable Minister for Finance, you can